Today, I'll show you how to update your profile picture and cover photo on your Facebook page, as well as how to customize your settings. To update your profile picture, open your Facebook page and click the camera icon near your profile image. Select your desired photo and click Save. It's very simple. For your cover photo, click the camera icon on your current cover image, where it says Edit Cover Photo. Choose a photo, then click Save Changes. Now let's customize your page further. Navigate to Settings from your Facebook page. On the left side, you'll see various options. Under Reaction Preferences, you can choose to hide reaction counts for your own posts and for posts by others. In Notifications, you can manage which notifications you want to turn on or off. In Accessibility, you can enable or disable dark mode. Under Media, you can adjust video quality, auto-create reels, enable captions, choose caption placement, control video volume, and decide whether captions or subtitles are generated automatically. In Audience and Visibility, click Page Details to update your contact information, website links, and basic business details. You can also edit your personal details, such as work experience, education, location, and family members. In How People Find and Contact You, you can allow search engines outside Facebook to link to your page, let Facebook recommend your page to users viewing similar pages, and manage messaging permissions. Under Posts, you can control sharing options, allow comments, enable visual searches, and manage how people interact with your posts. In the Stories section, customize story sharing permissions and interaction settings. Page Setup allows you to change your page name and manage page access, a very important feature. You can add new admins or members by clicking Add New, searching their Facebook name, and assigning permissions such as content management, messages, calls, or even page deletion. In Reels, set visibility preferences for your Reels, followers, and public content. Adjust who can follow your page or comment on your public posts. Under Page and Tagging, control who can post or tag content on your page. Choose between allowing everyone or restricting these permissions. In Blocking, manage who you want to block from seeing your page. Finally, under Ads and Payments, add payment methods to run ads directly from your page. You can also download all your page activity information by selecting Download Your Information in Settings. That's it. Now you've learned how to fully customize your Facebook page settings. Thank you,